Hi there! Having trouble connecting your Samsung phone to your Mac? Don't worry, this video can help. I am Mikey from Electronic Team and today I will show you how to connect Samsung to Mac. But before we start, make sure you watch this video till the end, as there is a discount coupon waiting for you. And now, let's dive in. No matter what Samsung phone you have, they all run the Android operating system. But if you, like me, prefer laptops from Apple running macOS, then you know all about the struggle of how to connect Samsung phone to Mac. In all these years, macOS developers have not added native file transfer support for Android devices. No matter if you have a Galaxy A13 or an ultra-modern S24 Ultra, all of them will simply charge from your MacBook when connected. But I have a solution, MacDroid. This app from third-party developers made it possible to transfer files from Samsung to MacBook with a cable and even wirelessly. And in today's video, we will focus on the coolest feature, connecting via Wi-Fi. Launch MacDroid and you'll see 3 connection options. Select Wi-Fi. Next, take your Samsung, go to Settings and enable the developer options. It's located in the About Phone section under the build number. Tap 7 times on it. Navigate to the developer options. Find and enable the USB debugging option. On your Mac, click on the Android version button that matches the version on your phone. You have 2 options for connecting your smartphone. You can either use a QR code option or use a pairing code option. I'm using the QR code connection as it's more convenient. In the debugging mode, you need to enable the wireless debugging option and then choose Pair Device with QR code. Point your camera at the screen of your MacBook and scan the QR code to connect. Now you can seamlessly transfer files from Samsung to Mac. But that's not all. MacDroid can also connect your device using a cable. Once connected, your Samsung device appears as a folder within your Mac's file system, seamlessly integrating with Finder. You can add an unlimited number of devices, not just Samsung, but also other brands, even MetaQuest 3 VR headsets. By the way, you can find the video on how to connect a VR headset here. What's more, you can also edit files directly on your device, just like you do it in Finder. That's all you need to know about how to connect Samsung Galaxy to Mac. And now it's time to tell you about the discount coupon I mentioned earlier. You can find it in the description below the video and benefit from the pro features of MacDroid. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.